Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In this video, I'm going to show you how to whip up a creamy Caesar salad dressing. And trust me, this dressing is so delicious, I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's get cooking. So you need 1 whole cup or 240 ml of a good quality mayonnaise. And if you're on a diet, you can actually mix a half a cup of a Greek yogurt, so a nice thick yogurt, with a half a cup of mayonnaise, and that works as well. Into the mayonnaise, I'm going to grate 1 large clove of garlic, or you can use 2 small ones. 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and fresh lemon juice makes all the difference, so make sure you use freshly squeezed. 1/4 teaspoon of salt and some freshly ground black pepper. 1/4 cup of finely grated Parmesan cheese. And finally, you can add a teaspoon of mashed anchovies to this dressing, but I don't like anchovies, so I'm gonna leave it out. But if you're an anchovies lover, go for it. Then go ahead and whisk it up. So now this is mixed together nicely. Just give it a taste to see if you need to adjust any of the seasonings. So good. I'm just going to add a little bit more salt because I didn't add the anchovies in there, and anchovies are really salty. And this is ready. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pop this into the refrigerator until I'm ready to make my Caesar salad. While the dressing is sitting so that all the flavors can melt together, prepare your romaine lettuce by washing it and breaking it up into bite-sized pieces. Then put it into a bowl and drizzle some of that lovely dressing on top. Go ahead and toss it so that all the remaining things that we're going to add can stick to the lettuce. We're going to put some grated Parmesan cheese on top, and also some freshly ground black pepper, and give it a good toss, then it's ready to enjoy. And there you have it, your creamy homemade Caesar salad dressing for your Caesar salad. Actually, this is my salad because this is my lunch for today. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all soon for some more cooking inspiration. So good.